Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Advanced World. Today my project is Space Invader game. Are you fond of video games but your mama not allowing you to play? Don't worry. Join Wiingy and code your game and play along with learning. I have coded many games with Wiingy. This is one more game. Let's start the video. This is a Space Invader game. Starts the game with when run code. Sets the background of space. Make new sprite of space rocket. Make new sprite of start button. When start clicked, remove it with this code. Make another sprite of opponent. Set this opponent size as 40. This sprite begins moving to south. Make a new sprite of a line. When right is pressed, the rocket moves on east direction. When left is pressed, the rocket moves on west direction. When you press the space bar, the bullet will come from the rocket. It moves towards the north. See, watching what is this, we cannot able to get this game. If you want to see full game, stay tuned because the game is not yet completed. I will be back soon with the complete game. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adyan from LiQWYD.